Today, we're featuring a 2018 Peterbilt 579 Tandem highway tractor. This unit comes fully loaded with a sleeper cab with a loaded interior including a Esbar bunk heater and a fridge. Features 3,000-watt power inverter and power group, plus AM, FM, CD radio with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. This Peterbilt features a Paccar MX-13 engine with 3.73 gear ratio, 18-speed manual transmission with a low-air leaf suspension and a sliding fifth wheel. It also comes equipped with full locking rear differentials. This Peterbilt is work ready for the highway. For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.